In every heart, there's a space waiting to be filled. Not with sorrow, not with pain, but with a brilliance so radiant it can eclipse the darkest moments we face. Today, we're delving deeply into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that teaches us not merely to endure, but to flourish amidst chaos. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotions, it's about transforming them into fuel for growth and resilience. It offers practical tools that ancient emperors and modern thinkers alike have used to craft lives of profound meaning and tranquility. Whether navigating the highs of success or the lows of adversity, this video is your guide to maintaining inner peace and unwavering focus. Join me as we uncover the timeless secrets of Stoic philosophy that can help us lead more fulfilled and purposeful lives. Stick around because today might just change the way you view everything. If you appreciate the insights we're diving into, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ensure you don't miss any part of the video, as every moment is packed with value that could be a game changer for you. Let's go. Rule 1. The power of restraint and stillness. The first rule to becoming everyone's priority is a profound lesson from Stoicism, teaching us about the power of restraint and the wisdom found in stillness. In a world buzzing with noise where everyone is quick to speak and slow to listen, choosing silence can be revolutionary. It's about learning when to speak and when to let the silence speak for you. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of listening to life, believing that silence isn't just the absence of words, but a path to deeper understanding. By embracing silence, you allow yourself to truly listen, not only to others, but also to the world around you, and importantly, to your own inner voice. This deep listening sharpens your perception and enhances your responses to life's complexities. Practically, embracing silence means not rushing to fill every gap with chatter. Instead, it gives your words more weight. People begin to pay attention when you do speak because they know your words are considered and meaningful. This selective sharing creates an aura of mystery and depth, attracting others who appreciate thoughtfulness over the quantity of words. Furthermore, embracing silence encourages others to contribute, fostering better relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. It's about giving space for others to express themselves and for relationships to breathe. This approach aligns with the Stoic belief in the harmony of living according to nature, where every element has its place and time. Next time you find yourself in a bustling crowd or a heated conversation, remember the power of silence. It's a tool that can transform your presence in any room, making you a person of influence and calm in a chaotic world. This practice not only makes you more appealing to others, but also provides clarity and peace of mind that are priceless in today's fast-paced world. In essence, it's about finding your center and grounding your life on the solid foundation of your own character and virtues, rather than external accolades or validation. The Stoics believed that true independence comes from mastering your desires and emotions, focusing instead on cultivating virtue and wisdom. Rule 2. Mastering desires and emotions. Mastering your desires and emotions is key to Stoic philosophy. Epictetus taught that freedom comes from self-sufficiency, not hinging happiness on external circumstances, but developing an internal fortress so strong that external events cannot disrupt your tranquility. Practically, this means developing your resources to enhance your ability to deal with life's ups and downs. It could be as simple as learning new skills for independence, from fixing a leaky faucet to managing finances wisely. It also means nurturing your mental and emotional health so that you're not constantly dependent on others for guidance or approval. By cultivating self-sufficiency, you create a life less about consumption and more about contribution. You become someone who adds value wherever you go, not seeking recognition, but radiating inherent worth. This shift makes you immensely attractive to others who see you as stable and reliable, a true priority in their lives. Moreover, practicing self-sufficiency doesn't mean isolating yourself or rejecting help. It's about knowing when to stand alone and when to wisely engage with the community around you. This balance aligns with Stoic views on engaging with the larger community while maintaining individual resilience and integrity. Think about areas in your life where you can be more self-sufficient. Start small with daily routines and gradually build up to emotional resilience and decision-making skills. Over time, you'll notice how independence draws others to you and gives you a quieter, more confident command over your life. A true mark of a Stoic. 3. Controlling your perceptions. The power lies not in altering the world around us, but in changing how we see and react to it. Marcus Aurelius emphasized that we have power over our minds, not outside events. Realizing this grants strength and resilience in navigating life's challenges. Controlling your perceptions means understanding that events themselves hold no emotional content. It's our interpretation that shapes our reactions. For instance, if someone cancels a meeting, you can choose to interpret it as a slight or as an opportunity to free up your schedule. The situation remains unchanged, but your perception of it changes everything about how you respond. This Stoic principle encourages stepping back to observe immediate reactions and then choosing responses aligned with your values and goals. It's about proactive, not reactive living, leading to a stable and intentional life that attracts others. Reacting with purpose and calm makes you someone people prioritize, recognizing the strength and stability you bring to chaotic situations. Practice controlling your perceptions with minor daily annoyances. Instead of letting frustration take over in traffic jams or long lines, use these moments to practice controlling your perception. Ask yourself, what else could this mean? How can I use this time effectively? Over time, this practice deepens into an ability to remain balanced and focused, regardless of life's challenges. By mastering your perceptions, you change not only how you see the world, but also how the world sees you. You become a beacon of resilience and rationality, adding depth and tranquility to every space you enter. Refining your perceptions aligns your inner vision of peace and priority with the external world. Rule 4. Setting firm boundaries. Understanding your limits and respecting yourself enough to enforce them is essential to well-being. Setting firm boundaries is not just about saying no to others, but about saying yes to your own needs, values, and priorities. Practically, setting boundaries means being clear about what you will and won't accept in both personal and professional life. This could be deciding not to check emails after a certain hour, avoiding gossip, or stepping away from draining relationships. It's about protecting your mental space and ensuring you don't overextend yourself. Seneca advised trimming away the unnecessary and focusing on what truly matters. By setting boundaries, you create space to focus on your growth, peace, and priorities. You teach others how to treat you by demonstrating that you value your time and energy, earning respect and prioritization in return. Start small with daily affirmations of your limits and communicate boundaries respectfully and clearly, without apology. This practice builds healthier, more sustainable relationships and gives you permission to thrive within well-defined limits, an act of profound self-respect. Boundaries aren't barriers to connection, but bridges to more respectful interactions, inviting honesty and transparency into relationships. By setting boundaries, you transform not only how others perceive you, but also how you perceive yourself. You craft a life that respects your worth, a fundamental lesson from Stoic philosophy. Rule 5. Cultivating inner contentment. Happiness stems not from what we acquire, but from what we value internally. Stoicism teaches finding satisfaction in moral and philosophical development, not in external rewards. Inner contentment involves appreciating what you have right now, instead of constantly reaching for the next thing. It's a shift from dependence on external validation to reliance on self-assessment and values. This practice doesn't imply complacency, but recognizing that true joy and satisfaction come from within. Epictetus emphasized focusing on what is within our power, our responses, attitudes, and principles. By nurturing these internal assets, you enhance your ability to remain calm and content amid challenges. Cultivating inner contentment starts with gratitude, reflecting daily on what you're thankful for, from relationships to personal achievements. Engage in activities that nurture your mind and soul, such as reading, meditation, or spending time in nature. These enriching habits reduce the need for external approval and deepen self-sufficiency. Inner contentment radiates a serene confidence that attracts others, drawn to self-assured individuals at peace with themselves. By cultivating inner contentment, you not only enhance your life but become a beacon for others, inspiring them to value your presence and prioritize you in their lives. Rule 6. Cultivating gratitude. Gratitude in Stoicism is about appreciating both good times and challenges, recognizing value and lessons in every situation. This practice enriches your life and transforms how others perceive and interact with you. Cultivating gratitude shifts your perspective, seeing the world as a place of opportunity rather than obstacles. Each interaction becomes a gift, setbacks lessons. This positivity is infectious, drawing others to your positivity and resilience. Start with daily acknowledgments of gratitude, reflecting on simple pleasures. Express appreciation openly to strengthen relationships and foster mutual respect. Keep a gratitude journal to solidify feelings of appreciation, as Stoics like Seneca believed gratitude essential for inner peace and contentment. Practicing gratitude enhances well-being and sets a foundation for meaningful interactions where others see and cherish your positivity, peace, and presence. Embracing personal growth. Wisdom and virtue are ongoing pursuits in Stoicism, embracing personal evolution and refining character daily. This mindset of progress positions you as an invaluable presence, continually bringing new insights and perspectives. Incorporate continuous learning into daily life. Read, listen, or learn from others. Develop skills and virtues aligned with Stoic principles, growing resilience and wisdom. Engage with a mentor or join a community of growth-oriented individuals. Stoicism championing the process of continual learning and improvement. Embracing personal growth nurtures humility, adaptability, and wisdom. This ongoing journey adds depth to your presence, inspiring others to value your input and prioritize your contributions.